Hey guys, it's me Alina. Welcome to my channel. So today I will be sharing some aesthetic photo ideas for your Instagram Holi special. Now fun fact, I have never ever used Holi colors in my entire life. Today probably I will be using some turmeric powder or I will be editing them. But obviously you can go ahead and use real Holi colors. Now I will be adding all the editing clips as well. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first let's start with the basic one, a candid picture. Who doesn't want a candid picture in the festive season? So yeah, all you have to do is just look away from the camera, smile, be happy. You can use your hands as well. So yeah, let's see how the pictures turned out and then you can watch the editing clip as well. For editing, open your photo on PicsArt. Now go to stickers and type smoke colorful. Now select this sticker and adjust it all over your photo. Now lower the opacity, go to blend, then multiply, then increase the opacity. Now if there's some spots left behind, you can always use the erase and restore button to adjust it, and it is done. For the next picture, take some dry color and dust it as shown and click pictures. Now I will be editing it, so let's see how the pictures turned out. For editing, open your photo on PicsArt, then go to stickers and type smoke colorful. Now select the sticker and adjust it on your hand. Now go to blend, then darken. Now adjust it on your hand and it is done. For the next picture, just pretend as if someone is throwing color on you from top. Now again, you can go ahead and ask someone to throw color on you from top, but I will be editing it, so let's see how the pictures turned out. For editing, open your photo on PicsArt. Now go to stickers and type smoke colorful. Now select the sticker and adjust it on your photo. Now go to blend and then darken. Now once it is done, adjust it according to your choice and the picture is ready. For the next picture, again pretend as if someone is throwing color at you, but this time you use your hand to cover your face. Now again you can go ahead and use real Holi colors, but I will be editing them, so let's see how the pictures turned out. For editing, open your photo on PicsArt. Now go to stickers and type splash. Now select the sticker and adjust it in a way so that it looks realistic. Now go to blend and then darken and it is done. For the next picture, you just have to do my favorite thing, that is just stare at the camera and start clicking pictures. Now you can use your hand to just touch the color on your face or just change the angles a little bit. Now let's see how the pictures turned out. For editing, open your photo on PicsArt. Now go to stickers and type splash. Now select the sticker, then go to blend, then darken. Now adjust it where you want. Now go back to stickers and type smoke colorful. Now again select the sticker and adjust it on your photo. Then again go to blend, then darken. Now adjust it how much color you want in the frame and it is done. For the next picture, all you have to do is just click plain close-up pictures. Now just make sure to keep your head very straight because I will be cropping it down to half. Now the picture must be symmetrical, so let's see how the pictures turned out. For editing, open your photo on PicsArt. Now crop it down as shown. Now go to stickers and type smoke colorful. Now select the sticker, adjust it on your photo. Now go to stickers, then multiply. Now go to the erase option and then select person and then erase manually the excess that is on your cloth, and it is done. So guys, that's it for the video. I hope you like it, and if you like it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and thank you so much for watching my videos, and take care. Bye bye.